Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Excel without product key. So it's not possible to activate Microsoft Excel without a valid product key in a legitimate manner. Microsoft requires users to enter a valid product key or sign up for an authorized subscription such as Microsoft 365 to use Excel fully. Attempting to bypass this process or using unauthorized methods may lead to security risks, software malfunctions, and violate Microsoft's terms of service. If you're looking for alternatives, Microsoft offers a free limited version of Excel online at office.com, and you can explore other free alternatives like Google Sheets or LibreOffice Calc for full functionality. It's best to purchase a genuine version of Excel or subscribe to Microsoft 365. Always ensure you are using software in a way that complies with licensing agreements to avoid potential issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.